Are you preparing your business for an exit? It may take a year, it may take more, but this video will show you how it's done in literally 1 minute. Assess your value. Roughly, your revenue times 1 or less for a product in decline, 2 for a healthy product, 3 or more for a rapidly growing product. Establish a separate tax entity, bank account, PayPal account, Google account, basically any other type of account designated exclusively for your business. Maintain positive growth for at least 1 year and document everything. Now gather 2 to 5 interested buyers. Likely, owners of a product commonly used with yours, bigger companies with related products, or your direct competitors. Sign a mutual NDA before sharing sensitive information. Negotiate the offered price, and equally important, negotiate the terms. Due diligence is where you'll thank me for having this. However, you will need to maintain positive growth throughout the process because if it declines, the deal may fall through. And finally, once your cash is wired, transfer your assets and tackle your next endeavor. Any questions? Feel free to ask me in the comments below, or just watch the Gamechangers, a series of interviews with makers and shakers behind the biggest WordPress acquisitions in recent years.